Repairing relations, mending bridges in communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, repair relations. This phrase is not just about language, but also about human connections and interactions. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important in both everyday and professional contexts. Repair relations is a phrase that combines two words, repair, which means to fix something that is broken or damaged, and relations, referring to the way in which two or more people, groups, or countries behave towards each other or deal with each other. Together, the phrase, repair relations, means to mend or improve a relationship that has been strained, damaged, or broken. This can apply to personal relationships, like those with friends or family, or to professional or diplomatic relationships between colleagues, companies, or nations. Before we can talk about repairing relations, it's important to understand why relationships break down in the first place. This can happen due to misunderstandings, disagreements, conflicts of interest, or even a lack of communication. Recognizing these causes is the first step towards fixing a damaged relationship. Repairing relations involves several key steps. 1. Acknowledgement of the issue. Recognize and accept that there is a problem in the relationship. 2. Open communication. Engage in honest and open dialogue about the issues at hand. 3. Apology and forgiveness. If mistakes were made, apologize sincerely. Forgiveness is also a crucial step in mending the relationship. 4. Rebuilding trust. Work on rebuilding trust, which might have been lost. This takes time and consistent effort. 5. Commitment to improvement. Both parties should commit to improving their relationship and avoiding past mistakes. In this section, we will explore some real-life examples and references from literature where the phrase, repair relations, is aptly used. This will help us understand the practical application of this phrase in various contexts. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, repair relations, and its significance in both personal and professional life. Remember, repairing a relationship is about understanding, communication, and a willingness to grow together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.